Kers Plus, how to use it. Press the on-off button to switch on Kers Plus. Wait 60 seconds for the fan to start. This waiting time is shown by the speed LEDs blinking. Press the Home button to set the default mode of Kers Plus, Heat Recovery. We then select the correct speed according to the size of the room. With each press of the speed button, we will change from super minimum to medium to maximum. If Kers Plus is installed in a room where we want maximum silence, we can set the night mode. With this mode active, when Kers Plus is in the dark, it automatically reduces the speed to the super minimum regardless of the previous setting. When the light returns, Kers Plus will return to the previous settings. These modes can be deactivated at any time by simply pressing the Home button. Kers Plus also has additional modes that can become useful in summer when there is no need to recover heat. With the Supply button, Kers Plus will only supply new air from outside. With the Extract button, Kers Plus will do extract ventilation only. The Boost button will force extract ventilation at maximum speed for 30 minutes, and then Kers will return to the previous function. A humidity control mode is also available. By pressing the Drop button, you can select the desired maximum humidity level in the room. Each time the humidity button is pressed, the humidity setting will change from Low, identified by 1 green bar on the remote control, Medium, identified by 2 green bars on the remote control, High, identified by 3 green bars on the remote control. Then back to Low. To switch off humidity control, press the Home button. To switch off Kers Plus, press the On-Off button.